Hi everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing great. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you this beautiful colorful summer eye makeup look. And also today, I'll be sharing with you some amazing makeup products that I think you should definitely try. So let's just quickly get started, and I'm gonna start off with my skin prep as usual. So first I'm gonna use the Derma 1% Kojic acid daily face wash with 1% niacinamide and alpha arbutin. It has an amazing non-greasy, non-drying formulation that enhances and maintains healthy hydration and nourishment without stripping off the moisture from your skin. It reduces dark spots, fights pigmentation, and gives you a healthy spotless skin. And the best part is it's suitable for all skin type. Next, I'm using the Derma 2% Kojic acid face serum with 1% alpha arbutin and niacinamide. This serum is very safe and effective to use. It's potent and it's clinically proven to reduce dark spots, scars, sun damage, and hyperpigmentation. It's dermatologically tested and suitable for all skin type. You can't leave home without a sunscreen, and today I'm going to use the Derma 1% Hyaluronic Sunscreen Aqua Gel with SPF of 50 and PA4+. It protects your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays. It gives you blue light protection and it doesn't make your skin feel heavy, greasy or sticky. The effective combination of hyaluronic acid and vitamin E helps fight sun damage while also reducing fine lines, wrinkles, and it makes your skin soft like butter. All of these products are fragrance free and suitable for all skin type. Every time you buy from Derma, they will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi. They have pledged to help 10,000 plus students across the year. I do have a coupon code with them. If you use that on their website, you will get extra 20% off. Next, I have the Mamaearth Vitamin C Daily Glow Lumi Cream with vitamin C and turmeric. It works exactly like the Lakme Lumi Cream, so if you want a better alternative, you can try this one. I'm not going to use any foundation today. Instead, I'm using this concealer to hide my dark circles, my acne scars and pigmentation. This is a great concealer. It's a full coverage concealer that gives you a flawless matte finish. It's a waterproof, not greasy formulation that doesn't transfer, fade or flake. This doesn't crack, doesn't crease, very lightweight, long wearing and perfect for this summer season. I'm going to blend everything out with the help of a beauty sponge, and then I'm going to move on to a compact powder to set the cream products in place. This is my recent discovery. It was sent to me by the brand, and oh my god, this is such a beautiful compact. It looks so beautiful and flawless on the skin. It blurs out your pores. It keeps my makeup intact and gives me that flawless airbrushed kind of look. Moving on to the brows, I'm just going to quickly fill in the gaps of my brows with the help of a brow pencil, and then to set the brow hairs in place, I'm going to use an eyebrow gel. Moving on to the eyes, I recently bought this Huda Beauty Rose Quartz eyeshadow palette during the Nykaa summer sale. Honestly speaking, I kept my eye makeup very simple and easy, but because of the shades, it's going to look stunning AF. So first I'm taking the shade Gratitude and I'm gonna apply it all over my crease as my transition shade. Next I'm taking the shade called Moon Magic and I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid. Once that is done, I'm going to use the Plum Eye Swear by Matte eyeliner in the shade Aqua Wave. This is my current favorite eyeliner for summer. It looks so beautiful on the eyes and I love the formulation. It's so lightweight, very long wearing, and yeah, it's perfect for summer. Then to complete the entire eye makeup look, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply 2 coats of mascara, and today I'll be using 2 different mascaras. First I used the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara to give some oomph to my eyes, and then to separate my lashes I'm going to use the Mars mascara. Here I'm doing a little bit of blending so that my eyeshadows marry together and they look very nice and seamless. Next I'm going to use my current favorite blush. This is the Makeup Revolution Superdewy Liquid Blush in the shade You Got Me Blushing, and oh my god, this is such a beautiful shade suitable for all Indian skin tone. It's quite long wearing and looks stunning on the cheeks. For my highlighter today, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild MegaGlo highlighting powder in the shade Blossom Glow. This is highly pigmented, silky smooth and super blendable. This doesn't contain any shimmery or glittery chunks to it. It's very smooth, looks beautiful on the skin, and this can beat any high-end highlighter that's available in the Indian market. Using a setting spray to lock the makeup into place so that it doesn't move or doesn't budge throughout the day. This particular setting spray provides some hydration to your skin and also it makes your makeup very long wearing. Moving on to the lips, I'm going to use this NYX Powder Puff Lippy in the shade Squad Goals, and oh my god, this is such a beautiful shade. It's perfect for summer. It's a very comfortable formulation, doesn't feel dry or cracky on the lips. It's very moisturizing and hydrating, and also it can be used on your cheeks. Sometimes I love applying it on my cheeks just to get that monochromatic effect. And lastly, I'm dabbing some loose powder on top just to set them in place so that it doesn't move or budge. So yeah guys, that's it. That's the completed makeup look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. All of the product details and links, everything is mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.